Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, and I have a Trendsend as is so beautifully displayed here. So I am so excited about this. My last Trendsend, I think I made some people a little unhappy because I complained about the prices a lot. And I apologize for that. I even hesitated to post it just because I knew I try to keep things positive, but I also try to keep things honest. And they were like, why are you getting a Trendsend box when you know the store is expensive? That's fair. But why I choose to get it, and I'm not saying it's bad expensive, it's just higher quality clothes. It is a little bit more expensive. And also I feel like, especially when it comes to every Eve store, you're actually paying for a service. If you haven't gone into the store, which they are now, there are some that are opening up, the stylists really go above and beyond in styling you. It is a fantastic, just an amazing time. So absolutely love it. My thing though is that I complain about prices if I just am not in love with something. So I do find myself willing to pay more if I just am over the moon for it. But if I'm not, then the higher prices just are like, oh, this is too expensive. So anyways, I know this one's gonna be better because one, I timed it with the Memorial Day sales, which normally I do try to time it with some good sales because I like my sale pieces, and also my stylist is back. So Melody, my stylist, she's awesome. I've met her. She's a wonderful personality. She's a great stylist. Really love her. So what's up, girl? How you doing? I'm glad you're back at work now. Anyways, she hopefully is the one who sent me this box because she told me she was headed back to work. So I immediately was like, boop, send me a box, please. So hopefully she's the one who styled me. And let's go ahead and get in it. I didn't have any specific requests. I was basically like, well, just whatever you like for me because, you know, she's met me. She knows what I like. And plus, I'm just open to whatever. So here we go. Ooh, I got two stylists. So from Megan C and Melody, which Megan has styled me a couple times before too, if Melody's not in. But she said, welcome back to Trendsend. We are so happy to be back in the store to get your box out. I had to style today, but I called Melody in and she picked some stuff out for you. We focused on your wants and found a few looks we know you would love for the comfort. We can't wait to see what you keep. So thank you both, Melody and Megan. Okay, my first bundle has exploded. All right, I already love this top. This is pretty. I love, it's kind of a blush color. It's also kind of it's a snake skin, a hint of snake skin blush color top, and I really love that. And this is a Peyton Jensen cami, and I am kind of obsessed with that. I also like that it's not a super long cami, and there is 2 layers, which I always like a nice layered cami. So, okay, really happy with that already. We're starting things out right. Okay, then we have, ooh, okay, so this is by Peyton Jensen again. This is a open shoulder. And I told Melody when I was there that I was kind of obsessed with this open shoulder. I've had my eye on this black and white striped sweater that has an open shoulder, and I tried it on the store. I'm obsessed with it. I've seen Christy at Georgia Sunshine. She's worn it a couple of times. I'm assuming that's where she got it from. I don't know for sure, but I'm assuming. And she just looks fantastic in it. So anyways, I've been kind of obsessed with the one open shoulder. 2, I hate, but with 1, it's cool. So really excited to try that on. Then we have the high-rise Gidget short by Cut from the Cloth. And okay, this looks nice. So we got the button fly. We have a reasonable good inseam here. I think these will probably be like the perfect length. And I think these are super cute. So I'm excited to try them. There are 2, so it's like they should have kind of a nice slouchy fit to them, which I really like to have because I don't like shorts that suffocate you. I just don't. Okay, next bundle. Okay, we have by Z Supply this rib tank, which is a great layering piece. I've been seeing this on their site and kind of keeping an eye on it. This is by Merit Catch. I'm very familiar with this because when I was in the store, I literally put this over everything, like the jumpsuits, the dresses. I put this over everything. So it's in trend with the tie-dye, but it's also very subtle, and it layers over a lot with a nice neutral color. So really, I'm excited about this. Then we have, this is by 7 for All Mankind, this white skirt, which I really like this. I love white pants, white bottoms, white skirts, so kind of obsessed with this piece, and I can't wait to try it on. So look at that. Okay, so far I'm in love with all these pieces. Okay, I love stripes, I really do. And it's this sleeveless dress, V-neck, looks like a midi or maxi length, probably midi because it's got like this rounded hem down here. Oh, I love this. This is nice. Okay, super, super cute. This is Z Supply. This is a Jen dress. This is a Jen dress. Okay, Megan, Melody, you guys killed it, absolutely killed it. Can't wait to try these outfits on. Okay, first up we have this cami and the shorts. So the cami I think is super cute. You can see the lace on it. I like the blush snake print on it. So I really, really like that. Super cute. The shorts are a bit longer. It's actually a little bit longer than I like. Although I guess maybe I could do a single roll on it and then be happy, I think. I don't know if that looks a little weird with the raw hem. And I like this length. I think this is a good length. Now, the problem with these is there's quite a gap back here. So I think these are not gonna be a keeper because they're just not a great fit. But they're nice shorts, and I do like the shorts, just not a great fit for me. Okay, next outfit. Okay, so as expected, I love it. I don't know why am I so into the one shoulder? I don't know. Now I have a clear strap with it, so I'm not sure how big of an eyesore that is. I've got long hair, I can keep it covered. But I really, really like it. It's cute, it's really soft, and has a good feel to it. There's actually kind of this seam here, I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, that goes around. That's a cool detail. And I just like this kind of slouchy open shoulder look to it. So love this top. And it's super soft and comfortable. All right, next outfit. Okay, outfit number 2. And I feel very stylish in my outfit. So this jacket is like an old friend, and I really like it because it's a good fit. Like I said, it's tie-dye, so that gives it kind of a unique look to it, and I like it a lot. The tank is a great layering piece, so, and it's a tank, but I like it a lot. And the skirt I like, but I think I'd actually have to size up on it because I feel like it's pulling a little bit here. So I feel like it's one of those skirts that you'd kind of be going like this a lot. Now, it's a great snugness up here, so hopefully if I do size up in it, it'll still fit okay. But yeah, I think with the tightness, it just kind of is doing some wonky things here. I might size up on it, so we will see how everything shakes out. The dress, I am so excited to try on the dress. Okay, so what do you guys think? Now, I think I love it. Here's why. It's striped. I love stripes. It's got this seam down the front, which is cute. Now, it's not too long. I think it's meant to be kind of more of a midi type, and for me, it's a full length. But I like the unique hemline of it, so it is kind of cool here on the sides. And I was worried it was going to be like a super form-fitting bodycon type thing, and it's not. It's like, it's got a decent amount of flowiness and a decent amount of huggingness to it. So it's just super cute, and you can easily throw a cardigan, a jacket, whatever, over this. So that's part of what I like about these type of stripe things, is they layer really, really well. So I kind of love it. What do you guys think? Okay. Let's go over prices and decide what to keep, because there's several pieces here that I'm highly interested in. Here we go. From the top, we have the 7 for All Mankind mini skirt. It is $62.99. Originally $129. So that's a really great deal. Now, if I kept it, I would need to size up. I'm highly considering it though, because I did really like it. I think it just depends on what else I decide to keep. All right, then we have by Z Supply. This is the Serena Rib Tank 3510. I do like it as a layering piece. I like that a lot, but I think I'm gonna spend my money on other pieces. Then by Marrakech. This is the Marcy Moto jacket, $98.99. I really like the jacket. As I said numerous times now, I tried it on with a lot of things. Really, really like it. I like that's tie-dye, which is the trend right now. But I just don't know that I'm gonna pay for it. So, all right, let's keep going. Then we have by Peyton Jensen the Mason Slasher Tee. This is $35.99, originally $48. So I really like this. I think it's super cute. I mean, that might be a bit for a tee, but then it does have the cool open shoulder detail. So I think I love that enough to keep that. Then by Peyton Jensen, we have the Marlowe Snake Lace Trim Cami, and it's $26.99. I like it. I like it quite a bit. I just might prioritize my money with other pieces. I have no complaints, and that's a great price, $26.99. What is it originally? $58. So great deal, great price. I like it a lot, but I just might prioritize other things. Then we had the Gidget High Rise Short by Cut From The Cloth, $44.99. Just was not a good fit for me. Originally, these are $69. Then we have this dress, which is a very interesting dress. I liked it quite a bit. It's loose, it's flowy, it's striped, could layer well. This is originally $66 and it's listed as $59.40 because I think everything's 10% off. Plus, I never said anything about the service, but by the way, it's a service from the store Evereve, and they send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. And if you use my referral link or anybody else's, you do get 20% off of your first box, and I get 20% off. Anyway, that's a little bit about the service. So what am I gonna keep? You know, right now I'm filming 4 different boxes, and so that makes me a little bit cheaper, a little bit more stingy when I'm filming a lot of boxes at once, because that can add up. And so the Slasher Tee I think is a definite keep, and then the only other, I'm between the mini skirt and the dress. I don't want to keep both of them, so I'm gonna have to make up my mind between sizing up in the skirt and keeping the dress, because I liked them both, but it's just budget wise I can't get them both. So what do you guys think? Did you like this? I thought this was a great box. This was me. There were some good sales in this box, and I was really happy with it. So Megan, Melody, thank you guys very much appreciated, and really great box, and I can't wait to style with them again. All right. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please do so below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.